Hey everyone, let us now take a look at question number 45 of Set B of JEE Mains 2018. The question is the sum of the coefficients of all odd degree terms in the expansion of x plus square root x cube minus 1 whole raised to the power 5 plus x minus square root x cube minus 1 whole raised to the power 5 where x is greater than 1 is. The options are over here. Let us now see the solution. Well, we know that a plus b whole raised to the power 5 is actually equal to 5c0 a raised to the power 5 plus 5c1 a raised to the power 4b plus 5c2 a cube b square and so on. The last would be 5c5 b raised to the power 5. Similarly, a minus b whole raised to the power 5. The reason I am writing both of them is because here you can see it is a plus b whole raised to the power 5. Here it is a minus b whole raised to the power 5. So it will be equal to 5c0 a raised to the power 5 minus 5c1 a raised to the power 4b plus, because it will be minus b, that is why this minus, plus 5c2 a cube b square and so on up until the last term 5c5. So since 5c0 is positive, 5c1 is negative, so that is why 5c5 will be negative. Now, if you add both of them, which is well what we have been given, then a plus b whole raised to the power 5 plus a minus b whole raised to the power 5 will actually be equal to 2 times. Now, these two terms will cancel. Similarly, the term which will be over here will also be cancelled, and finally this term also will cancel. So you will be left with 2 times 5c0 a raised to the power 5 plus 5c2 a cube b square plus 5c4 a b raised to the power 4. Now let's substitute the value of a as x and b as square root of x cube minus 1. So this will be equal to 2 times 5c0 is 1 into x raised to the power 5 plus 5c2. 5c2, well, you know it is 10. So 10 times a cube, which means x cube, and b square, so square root of x cube minus 1, the whole square will be x cube minus 1. And finally, a is x, this will be x cube minus 1 the whole square. You already seen that the even terms have been cancelled, so this basically is the sum of all the odd degree terms only. So now this will actually be equal to 2 times x raised to the power 5 plus 10x cube into x cube minus 1, so you can say it is 10x raised to the power 6 minus 10x cube, then plus 5x into x cube minus 1 the whole square. When you will simplify it, it will become 5x. This will be a square, so x raised to the power 6 plus 1 minus 2ab, so 2x cube. This will be equal to 2 times x raised to the power 5 plus 10x raised to the power 6 minus 10x cube plus 5x raised to the power 7 plus 5x minus 10x raised to the power 4. Now, since we have to find out the sum of all odd degree terms, so I'll just pick up the odd degree terms over here. So over here I'm going to make odd degree terms. Odd degree terms basically will be equal to 2 into x raised to the power 5, because well 2 is outside, 2x raised to the power 5, comma 2 into minus 10x cube, so minus 20x cube, then again 5 into 2 is 10x raised to the power 7, and ultimately 5 into 2 10x. So now we had to find the sum of the coefficients. So sum of these coefficients for all odd degree terms, guys. So I'll just add all of them. So 2 minus 20 plus 10 plus 10. I can see that 10 plus 10 is 20, so both of them together will cancel out this 20 and we'll get the answer as 2. So sum of coefficients of all odd degree terms is actually 2. I hope you guys have got it right. Option 2, that is 2, is the correct answer.
Explore more about the topics you love with Toppr. Subscribe now and keep learning.